Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learned the properties of electric field. Today we have to see electric dipole. Okay, so what is electric dipole? System of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small fixed distance is called dipole. So what is dipole? There is two charges equal and opposite, minus q and plus q charge, separated by a distance d. This arrangement is called electric dipole. Okay, system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance. This arrangement is called electric dipole. So there are some terminologies which we have to see. First is dipole axis. What is this? Line joining negative charge to positive charge of a dipole is called dipole axis. Negative charge and positive charge, this is line. This line is called dipole axis. Okay. Second is equatorial axis. Perpendicular bisector of dipole is called equatorial or transverse axis. So this is dipole na. Perpendicular bisector means a line which is perpendicular to dipole axis and passing through the center. This line is perpendicular to the dipole and passing through the center of the dipole. This is called equatorial axis. Okay. Third, dipole length. The distance between the two charges is known as dipole length. Means distance between the charge is d, so here dipole length is d, small d. Fourth, dipole moment. This is very important also. Dipole moment is denoted by p. It is a quantity which gives information about strength of dipole. So what does this signifies? This signifies the strength of dipole, that is power of dipole. It is a vector quantity and it is directed from negative to positive. This is vector quantity and its direction from negative charge to positive charge. This is the direction, negative to positive. Okay, it is denoted by p and it is defined as product of magnitude of either of the charge and the dipole length. So its value of dipole moment is product of magnitude of any of the charge, and distance between the charge. What is the distance between the charge? d. So q into d is the strength of dipole moment. Okay. Then we have to see the electric field due to dipole on dipole axis and equatorial axis. So okay, students, so our next topic is electric field due to dipole on dipole axis. What does it means? This is dipole, negative charge, positive charge. Distance between the charge is 2d. Why it is taken as 2d? To make the calculation easier. This is dipole axis, this is center of the dipole, and this point is on dipole axis where we have to find the electric field. This is at a distance x from the center of the dipole. Okay, so first of all you tell me in this figure what is the value of dipole moment. What is the value of dipole moment? Charge q and distance between the charge is 2d. So q multiply by 2d, it is the dipole moment in this figure. Okay, then here we have to find the electric field. So from positive charge, electric field will be emerge in this direction. So this is the direction for electric field due to positive charge, and we know that in negative charge electric field is enter. So negative charge electric field will be entered. So this is the direction electric field due to negative charge. Okay. Now the value of electric field due to positive and electric field due to negative charge. Electric field due to positive, formula is kq by r square. So kq upon distance, charge and point, distance is this is x, this is d, so this is x minus d, kq upon x minus d का whole square. Similarly, electric field due to negative charge, kq upon negative charge and point. Distance is, this is x and this is d. So distance is x plus d ka whole square. Okay. Now net electric field we have to calculate. So this is in opposite direction. So net electric field will be electric field due to positive minus electric field due to negative. Putting the values, kq upon x minus d ka whole square minus kq upon x plus d ka whole square. Okay. kq is common. So 1 upon x minus d ka whole square minus 1 upon x plus d ka whole square. Okay. Again solving it, kq x plus d ka whole square minus x minus d ka whole square upon LCM will get multiplied. So x minus d x plus d ka whole square. Solving the numerator we get 4xt. By solving the numerator, opening the bracket and solving the numerator, we get 4xt, and in denominator we get x minus d x plus d, a minus b a plus b, that is x square minus d square ka whole square. Okay. Rearranging the numerator we get, by rearranging the numerator we get 2qd into 2kx upon, I will only rearrange the numerator, this is the net electric field na, upon x square minus d square ka whole square. So 2qd, what is this? This is dipole moment. This can be written as p. So final answer is 2pkx upon x square minus d square ka whole square. This is the formula for net electric field. Okay. Then we have to see the special case. So what is the special case? Special case, if dipole is very short. Dipole is very short means length of the dipole is very short, and length of the dipole is 2d. It means 2d or d is very short, means very less than x. D is very less than x. So d square is also very less than x square. It also means x square is very greater than d square. So x square minus d square, approximately written as x square, because x square is very greater than d square. Putting the value in this side, we get net electric field is equal to 2pkx upon x square minus d square can be written as x square. So x square ka whole square. So in denominator we get x to the power 4, and in numerator we get x, cancel out. So final answer is 2pk upon x cube, net electric field. This is the final formula for short dipole. Okay.